Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already subscribed. Yeah, it's in the evening. From morning we kind of have like the day really bleak. We don't see no sun but no rain or fall either, so I'm kind of hot. Anyway guys, remember to follow me on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, let's get me to 20,000 followers on Instagram. Also guys, if you are not following me on TikTok, you can also find me at the same Fanika TV, guys, same as my YouTube channel. So yeah guys, today I have some rice and peas I cook from yesterday, guys. So I'm just gonna cook some meat. I'm not sure which meat I'm gonna cook yet, but we will see it in the video. Yeah guys, I'm gonna cook. I'm also gonna bake a banana, not a banana, a plantain cake as well for you guys today. So please subscribe. Yay! So stay tuned guys for the video. So alright guys, the first thing that I'm going to be doing is getting, because I'm gonna make the plantain cake. I don't know why I keep on say banana, right? Maybe through banana cake, I don't know about plantain cake, but I'm gonna do it today. So yeah guys, the first thing I'm gonna do, I have my butter. Yeah guys, best butter for use when I make cake because it blends easier, right? So I go add in some butter. Add in some butter guys. Then so this is the butter. You guys to see the butter. This is the I'm gonna put the sugar and I'm gonna blend them up together. We need more sugar. So yeah guys, that is what I'm doing. Like you want some more butter. Add some more butter in it. Easy blend up because the butter is softer than the one that I have a sell in my bag. It's softer, so it's blended. So you guys keep on mix it some more. Okay guys, so I'm gonna blend up the plantain guys. So this is what I'm using guys. So we use the ripe plantain. It would be better if it did, you know, like the skin did blacker, because you know, so you gotta get a smoother blend. But I'm gonna blend it up guys. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that. It's my first time doing this and I want to make sure that it comes out good. Right. just peel it off like banana skin. Just cut it up. That's you can, you know, easy blend up. Although it's soft, so I go blend up regardless. Our next piece. That is it, guys. We cut them up fine now. We're gonna get it blend up, so stay tuned. We're gonna start the blending process of the plantains. So I'm gonna add in the plantains, and instead of using water, guys, I'm just gonna blend it with the cow's milk. So guys, I'm using 100% cow's milk, right? I'm gonna blend up them together. Alright, that is it. First, I use a cow's milk here, guys. Alright, I'm gonna blend them up. That's it gets, you know, smooth, and we get the color and everything. Alright guys, so we blend up with plantain and everything. Just want to see my mixture. Well, that's why I use the chiffon butter, guys, because it just gets smoother finish, right? So I'm gonna be, so we have some eggs, guys. I will crack the egg in this, right? So yeah, I'm gonna crack 2 eggs in this and then mix it up. You see, guys, how it's fluffy and smooth. Very, very smooth, guys. It's beautiful. Yeah, cut. set. Smooth, smooth. Smooth finish, guys, right? That is it. So stay tuned. So yeah, guys, as you know, the egg raw, right? So we're gonna use one orange, guys. I will just have a grater the skin. You know, we just cut with it, and then it gives it a nice taste as well, guys. A beautiful taste when you get that rind inside. Yeah, that's what I say. It gives you that. I just like the flavor we give it, but it still cut away the rawness of the eggs, right? I go add in the blended plantain and milk in it right now, so stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna get the flour in it now. I'm gonna use that. Okay, guys, I'm gonna mix this up together and then get the flour inside. I'm gonna use like about half pound of flour to finish it, cause you know. But the thing is, I wonder if me need more plant because I don't want it for yellow, right? But it seems that I will get the yellow color after I mix it up. So stay tuned, guys. Remember, guys, to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to. I know that I have been slacking off on my YouTube channel, guys, and I just wanted to apologize because I built this platform and then we just neglect it when I know I have people that are looking out to see my videos. So guys, as of today, tomorrow I'm going to be posting constantly just to build back that momentum and know that and make you guys know what say, right? I am posting, so stay tuned. When you have the mixer, then something I mix quicker. So guys, let the blender help me. So go get one of them electric blender there. See them on Amazon. Make forget one. But other things catch me eye. Okay guys, so I'm just going to mix out this. And then I go add in the flour like little. I like the color I get. Seems yellow. I think that yellow more is still like a deeper yellow, but I just think God say he would still look yellow overall. Purpose it now. Look at the something there. What do you call them? The yai them in the banana. Can't even egg them. Right, make sure that's split it in a two and take them out. Guys, so we have we mixture. We're gonna put in some little spice, you know, if we just bring up the taste of the banana, the taste of everything, just to spice it up, make it smell nice, right? and tastes good as well. So we are going to use some vanilla. Of course, you know me always love putting the vanilla. And guys, we know measure things, we just throw. This is some mixed spice I will put in there as well. I have some grounded nutmeg, guys. Yeah, just add that in. And I have some rose almond essence, right guys? We did have some nuts, but we end up eat them. So oh my god, so we should have buy the almond, put it in there. Oh yeah guys, and also we're gonna put some salt in it as well. So if you're baking, guys, you have to put salt in your mixture too, so that it tastes it has taste. But I'm gonna wait till when we put the flour first. So yeah guys, so that is it. So that we are mix up the mixture. Let's see the flour. Now this little. Nah, not too much, right? So see. So like the boy come guys, me intact. Sound like both of you. Yeah, but yeah guys, so yeah, save the flour. Add some more in there. Mix. Guys, it smells really good already because the spices and everything is in it, so it smells really nice. And you can also taste it, guys, like when you're making the mixture, you can also taste it too. You know if it tastes like you want more. So yeah, the only thing I wish I had, guys, I wish I had the blender, the blending mix up, right? Come I get a better mix with it. But me go and mix till me get the mix. When I want. When I start mix till it's hard. See it? CV flour, CV flour. CV flour, CV flour. I'm going to see you guys. I come in, just see this. I'm going to go. I'm going to go. I'm going to look at this. You see me some. So the fire catch already now, guys. So yeah.
I gotta get you cool. Okay.
So check in, guys. We go grease the baking tin with some butter. It's one different butter from the one I used a while ago. Grease the pan and then butter and grease it, guys, with that. Now we are going to show the mixture, guys. Me go bake the cake like. So the mixture here. You see it. You see the mixture here, guys. That is how it's looking. Yellow and nice. That's the color I was looking for. I wanted it to be yellow, guys. So
This nice food.
Adding
15% calcium, so you would have strong bones and much don't anything. You grew up, you drink milk. Milk is milk. Milk was mine. Milk was mine. Every milk.
really nice, guys. So we'll make sure so we set it that it's even. Yeah, guys. So we're gonna prepare the fire now, cause we're gonna make it bake like the pudding, right? Cause it's not no stove. So and even if me have stove now, but I don't know to use it. So that is it. Everybody I may have food so that's so that is it, guys. So that is it. We're going to bake it and show you guys. This is how we set up. Yeah, guys, we set up. Yeah. So we're gonna go and wait about an hour. Fire. Mom, would you? This time I will put that in the banana. That's put the banana back. Can get the cake. Another one here. Let me should have to this. Oh. Why no rice? It baking powder no have no use. Why no rice? You're not supposed to iron this. Did he broke? Try to see. Oh my god. That's a messy. I say Kubota, guys, it's too soft. How will me do wrong? He never done cool. Look like he never done cool, huh? He never done cool, guys, so he broke up. I get to show it. I think he's cool already, you know. I'm still a post, you know. That's my post, hey guys, it never done. If you're gonna make it cool a little more. Anyway, guys, this is the end result. It's the only thing me never make it cool, guys. So when me I put in this, it mash out. But seriously, eh? Okay, me don't know. It tastes good. Alright.